there are a couple things you could probably do to help yourself on the cost. I would welcome anyone to call our office, and we'd be happy to talk to them on the phone and discuss, price ranges and that sort of thing. Because in our business, like any other business, the range is pretty vast, depending on the sophistication and the level of the system you want to incorporate. And so, you can get into an affordable system, and then, what might be affordable for one person might not be for another. And then there's, the people who want extravagant systems, and, the budget is large, and, they're going to get great sophistication and great, products. And so there's just a big range in our industry, but we'd be happy to discuss that with anyone on the phone and kind of walk them through that to help them through their process.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home.